See ya, sir. Brother Ivan, good morning. Let me answer a Christian, a very serious Christian. You know, plan to get whole like the rest of we? Eh? Why your picture with them when you put up? Always, I look like you get younger and younger. Stop it. I don't like it. Stop it. Because the rest of the rest of we are struggle to keep a look of youthfulness about we. My youthfulness just in my mouth. I'm do a chat, don't chat crap like any children. You copy? But you over there, claim say you're sick. Lie. For nobody was sick no look so. You understand? I beg you cut it out. Cut it out. You understand? Why have you look so pretty, brother Ivan? You look nice, brothers. Locks me love you. It's a glow and sitting. No say for so people look when they sick. All of we can't get sick then. You understand? Me standing line for look of sickness. If I saw me, I go look. You copy? Boy, no enough. You go there. That shit power bit out warning, brother Ivan. Anyway, my love, I know you are doing your best to put your best out there. And just know that the fact that the Lord chooses to seemingly delay in answering our prayers for, health and deliverance from whatever it is.
After you have suffered a little while, the God of all grace, who has called you to his eternal glory in Christ, will himself restore, confirm, strengthen, and establish you.
I'm still giving you the strength to bear on gracefully. It must be the grace of God that causes you to be going through each day under such silent struggles and pain, yet looking so wonderful outside. God bless you, my dear. God bless you. We continue to pray. Have a lovely day. Yeah?